Hi everyone, it's Dean. I'm so excited that you joined today's webinar. We're talking about the secret ingredient because yes, there is a secret ingredient in a secret sauce that's attached to our customer service strategy. The reality is our world has changed and our customers have changed. Their buying habits, their expectations, and their desires, their needs have all changed over the years. And so that's why it's so important that our customer service strategy also changes. And the secret ingredient that we put in that sauce is one that will make our customers want to come back to our organizations time and time and time again. Now, why is this secret ingredient so necessary for our secret sauce? And I'll tell you why it's necessary. It's necessary because customers are more demanding, customers have higher expectations, customers want more value for their money. And with those things incorporated in our customers' mindsets, it's now up to us to ensure that our customer service levels are able to exceed our customers' expectations. And so today we're going to spend some time talking about the secret ingredients and creating a strategy to help you have your organization stand out from all of the others. Now, I'll tell you, this training is not for everyone. This training is for organizations that really want to improve their customer satisfaction rating. This training is for small business owners and entrepreneurs who have either just started out on their journeys or have been in their journeys for 2 to 3 years and are still struggling to come up with that customer service strategy that will help them to retain loyal and repeat customers. And this training is also for people who are interested in becoming business owners. These are the people who would like to convert their hobbies into a full-time job or convert their hobbies into more of a revenue stream. And so this training is designed for the individual or the organization who is tenacious about accomplishing their goals and about providing excellent customer service to their customers. Now you may be asking, who am I and why should you listen to me? Well, I'm Dean, a customer service trainer with over 18 years experience in the customer service field. As a part of those 18 years, my training has incorporated large organizations, large hotels, small businesses. My clients are vast and their results are consistent. I am also a certified trainer, speaker, and coach, a small business consultant, and a business strategist. And using the concepts in our strategy, I help businesses incorporate customer service standards that help to set them apart from other organizations in a similar field. And so, the reality of the situation is people have more options, which means competition demands that we up our game. We have to level up. Customers are complaining more. Their expectations are higher, and they are complaining more when those expectations, realistic or not, are not met. Customers are also more exposed. They're more exposed to options, availability, shopping methods, and so our customers are not what they used to be years ago. Internet shopping has increased. Our clients are sitting in the comfort of their homes, clicking a button and shipping their items to them. So even their shopping methods have changed over the years, which is why it's extremely important for those of you who have organizations and businesses that are customer facing, where people come into your organization, that your customer service is top notch and world class. You are the answer and the solution. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about the fact that your customers have needs. The reason you are in existence today is to meet the needs of your customers. And your customer service strategy could be the solution that customers are looking for today. I mean, really think about it. When we listen to the customer service dialogue, more and more we find that our customers are dissatisfied with the level of service that they're receiving. And if this is the case, your strategy could really be the solution that sets you apart from your competitors. As we begin today's session, I'd like to really ask you to think about, in an ideal world, what would your customer service sequence look like? And you may be saying, what is a customer service sequence? We open the door, we serve our customers, we close the door, and we start that routine all over again tomorrow. But a service sequence is essentially the steps you should take in sequence with some flexibilities as you serve your customers. And every single person in your organization should be familiar with that service sequence. It goes something like this: first, next, then, after that, finally. So it gives a step-by-step guide of what your expectations are of those who work in your organizations as they serve your customers. And as we begin to now touch the secret sauce and the secret ingredient, an important question that has to be answered before we proceed any further is this: why are you in business? And yes, I know you want to make money. I mean, every business is in business because profits are important. Money is important. Money pays the bills, money runs the world. And so you're in business because you want to generate a profit. But in the service industry, the reason that you're existing really should be to make life easier for your customers. Because if you make life easier for your customers by providing solutions to their needs, your bottom line will automatically grow. And that, my friends, is the starting point of the secret sauce that we're pouring our secret ingredient in. So I want to encourage you as we go through this session today to really identify your why. Why are you in business? What is your vision? What is your mission? Why have you opened your doors to serve the public? What is the solution that you are providing? What is the need that you are meeting? The more your why is connected to providing solutions for your customers, the more your bottom line will grow automatically. And as you think about why you are in business, or if you think about your why, your purpose, your thoughts will include, how do I best serve my customers? And so it means that our policies and procedures must align with our customers. A lot of times, from a business perspective, we look at how we can protect ourselves. And our policies and procedures are designed to do just that, to protect us from risk. And they're not really customer service strategies. As you develop your policies and procedures, the customer should be foremost in your mind. Does your brand align with your strategy? Because your brand is extremely important. When people see your name, what should they immediately attach to that vision? As they see your logo, as they see your company, if they see a picture of your product, what is your brand saying? And is it aligned with your strategy? Is your marketing focused on attracting your ideal client? Because you know what? You can't serve every customer. And so you have to decide who your target market is. And are your processes created to enhance your client's experience? Because every single part of your strategy should be focused on the customer. To transform your customer service, here's a tip: transform what you offer. And in order to transform what you offer to your customers, your thoughts should include, who is my target market? It means that you have to identify a client profile that you would like your brand to be associated with. Now, you can make more money by identifying your ideal client, because once you've identified your ideal client, you can now narrow your offerings to suit that profile and focus specifically on their needs alone. It helps us to narrow our focus opposed to having such a broad focus to meeting every customer profile, which can be complex. Once you're able to identify your ideal client, then you're able to find solutions to their needs. Yes, you may end up with less clients if your brand is a more high value client, but a more sophisticated market means that you can sell your products at a higher price, and the people who show up to patronize your business will value your solution regardless of the price attached to it, because they have a high profile brand also associated with them. Providing exceptional customer service requires a real disciplined approach to customers. and a guideline for your employees to follow is a necessity. And you may be asking, Duguesa, what's at stake if I don't have a clearly defined customer service strategy? And I am so glad that you asked that question because I'm going to tell you. Keep these statements in mind. It takes 5 times as much resources to acquire new customers than it does to keep the ones that you currently have. 82% of people stop doing business with a company or stop a service when they experience poor customer service. And 79% of customers who have poor customer experiences tell other people about it. It means that your customers are at stake, your revenue is at stake, which can have a huge impact on your success. And so within the next few minutes, I'll share with you the top 7 things that you should consider when creating your secret sauce that incorporates our secret ingredient known as your customer service strategy. But here are 2 important things to remember as we discuss them. You build a relationship with your clients first because people buy people. And secondly, provide options for your clients to choose what they want because people buy what they want. And so here are the top 7 things to consider when creating your customer service strategy, which is your secret sauce. Identify your vision. Identify your client profile. Match products to suit those profiles. Train your team on how to provide world-class service. Train your team on how to resolve clients' concerns. Be in it every day. Be in it, be above it, be surrounded by it. As you watch and observe your team members, it allows you the opportunity to coach them to achieve your world-class standards. Because once you've identified your vision and you've narrowed down your client profile, and now you've matched products to those profiles, you can't take for granted that your employees know how to deliver on that customer service. Which is why it's important for you to consistently reframe them and remind them of why you're doing what you're doing and how, by providing a sequence of service, they can help you achieve your goal. Make sure that you create a marketing strategy specifically designed for your client profile. If you are uncertain, absolutely uncertain how to incorporate any of those things and to build your customer service strategy, it is imperative that you find someone who does. Identify an expert. And an expert is someone who has years of experience, wisdom, and a proven track record to help you create your customer service strategy. The future belongs to you. Your organization's future is in your hand. You can choose to continue doing business the way that you are, or you can make a conscious effort to transform your business. To help you transform your business, I am offering a free consultation with my team. Go to duquesadian.com now. Fill out the contact me information, and my team will contact you for a free 30-minute consultation to help you begin putting your customer service strategy together. Remember that your strategy is your secret sauce, and the ingredients that you put in that secret sauce can help set you apart from your competitors and create a staring brand in the minds of the customers that you target so that you can provide the type of service they expect, that they want, and that they will repeatedly return to your organization for. So what are you waiting for? Go book your free consultation. We'll talk with you soon, and thanks for tuning in.